How to fix file system error 2147416359 in Windows 10 and Windows 11. This such type of error appear in your system. So the first workaround to fix this issue is go to run command box and type services.msc. To open services window, we will restart Windows License Manager in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Here look for Windows License Manager. Right click on Windows License Manager and choose restart option. Thereafter apply a double click on it and under startup type choose the option automatic and press apply and then OK button and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next fixes is repair or reset Photos app. Go to Windows settings, click on apps, installed apps. Here look for Photos app and click on three horizontal dot and choose advanced options. Scroll down and you will find the option reset. If this app is not working right, we can try to repair it. Choose the first repair. If this app still is not working right, reset it. Click on reset and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again go to Windows settings and run the Windows Store apps troubleshooters. Go to troubleshoot other troubleshooters and locate Windows app troubleshooters and run the Windows Store apps troubleshooters to fix this issue. The next workaround to fix file system error in Windows 10, go to Windows search, type msconfig and open system configuration Windows. Here go to selective startup under general tab and make the check against option load system services. Thereafter go to services, click on hide all Microsoft services and disable all. Thereafter go to startup tabs and open task manager and here manually disable all the startup apps in enabled mode. Manually disable it one by one, and once the process is finished, don't forget to restart your system. You must restart your system and your error will accordingly resolved. That's all.